In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 Valvoline synthetic motor oils in 2026, best full synthetic and high mileage oils. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 Valvoline synthetic motor oils in 2026. Number 1, Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technologies A5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, 5 quart, designed for high mileage engines specially formulated for vehicles with 75,000 plus miles to help extend engine life. MaxLife Seal Conditioners helps reduce oil leaks and oil consumption by rejuvenating aging seals. Enhanced wear protection. Advanced additives fight friction, heat, and engine work. Sludge and deposit control. Powerful detergents keep engines clean and running smoothly. Meets industry standards. Exceeds APISP, SN+, and ILSAC GF6A performance requirements. Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technologies A5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil is engineered to protect and extend the life of high mileage engines. Its advanced formula contains seal conditioners that help restore flexibility to aging seals, reducing oil leaks and oil consumption. The synthetic blend provides superior protection against wear, heat, and sludge buildup while keeping engine components clean. Friction-fighting additives improve overall engine performance and efficiency. Designed for passenger cars and light trucks, this oil meets modern industry standards and delivers reliable protection for everyday driving. Number 2, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA5W30 Motor Oil, 5 quart. Advanced Full Synthetic formula provides superior engine protection against wear, heat, and friction. Enhanced wear protection helps extend engine life with improved anti-wear additives. Deposit and sludge control keeps engines clean by reducing harmful buildup. All-weather performance. Excellent cold start flow and high temperature protection. Meets industry standards. Exceeds APISP, SN+, ILSAC GF6A, and Dexos 1 Gen 3 requirements. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA5W30 Motor Oil is designed to deliver maximum engine protection for modern gasoline engines. Its advanced synthetic formula helps reduce wear, control deposits, and minimize friction for smoother, more efficient performance. This motor oil provides excellent protection during cold starts and maintains stability under high temperatures, ensuring reliable performance in all driving conditions. Ideal for passenger cars and light trucks, it meets or exceeds the latest industry standards to keep your engine running clean and strong. Number 3, Valvoline Extended Protection Full Synthetic SA5W30 Motor Oil, 5 quart. Premium full synthetic formula designed to deliver ultimate protection against wear, friction, heat, and deposits. Dual defense additive technology helps keep your engine clean and running at peak performance. Superior protection versus standards offers up to 10 times stronger resistance to oil breakdown and 50% better wear protection than industry standards. Enhanced engine cleanliness formulated to fight sludge and maintain optimal fuel economy. Meets modern specs. Exceeds ILSAC GF6A, APISP, APISN with SN+, and Dexos 1 Gen 3 performance requirements. Valvoline Extended Protection Full Synthetic SA5W30 Motor Oil is a premium full synthetic engine lubricant engineered to protect today's high-performance gasoline engines. Its advanced formula provides robust defense against the 4 major causes of engine breakdown: wear, friction, heat, and harmful deposits. Dual defense additive technology works to keep internal components clean, helping preserve engine efficiency and fuel economy. With superior thermal and oxidative stability, this oil helps resist breakdown under severe temperatures and driving conditions, ensuring your engine stays protected mile after mile. Suitable for a wide range of passenger cars and light trucks that require 5W30 viscosity, this motor oil meets or exceeds the latest industry performance specifications for modern engines. Number 4, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE0W20 Motor Oil, 5 quart. Premium full synthetic formula delivers advanced protection against wear, friction, heat, and deposits for modern engines. Enhanced engine wear protection provides up to 40% better wear resistance than industry standards to help extend engine life. Superior deposit control helps keep your engine clean with better deposit defense to fight sludge and varnish buildup. Excellent high and low temp performance. Flows easily at cold temperatures to protect cold starts and defends against heat under severe conditions. Meets modern specs. Exceeds ILSAC GF6A, APISP, APISN with SN+, and is GM Dexos 1 Gen 3 certified for broad vehicle compatibility. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20 Motor Oil is engineered to provide superior engine protection and performance for today's gasoline engines. Its advanced full synthetic formulation helps reduce wear, control harmful deposits, and maintain engine cleanliness even under severe driving conditions. This motor oil flows quickly at low temperatures to safeguard your engine during cold starts and remains stable at high operating temperatures for lasting protection. Number 5 Valvoline Daily Protection SAE 5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. 5-quart synthetic blend formula combines quality base oils and additives to deliver dependable protection for gasoline engines. Engine Wear Defense contains anti-wear additives that help reduce wear and extend engine life. Deposit and sludge control. Powerful detergents help fight sludge and keep engine components clean. Low friction technology helps optimize fuel efficiency while protecting parts under varied driving conditions. Wide temperature protection flows easily during cold starts and resists breakdown in high heat. Meets modern specs. Meets API-SP, ILSAC GF6A and API-SN plus performance requirements for many gasoline cars and light trucks. Valvoline Daily Protection SAE 5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil is engineered to provide reliable everyday protection for passenger cars and light trucks. Its premium blend of base stocks and advanced additives helps reduce engine wear, control harmful deposits, and enhance fuel efficiency. The low-friction formulation helps engines run smoothly across a range of temperatures, flowing easily at cold startup and maintaining stability under high heat. With added detergents that fight sludge and contaminants, this motor oil helps maintain engine cleanliness and performance. Designed to meet key industry specifications and protect modern gasoline engines, this 5-quart motor oil is a dependable choice for